Hello everyone and welcome to this short video on how to measure. When you're measuring, make sure you lock your elbow and keep the measuring tool straight. So if I'm looking upwards, it should be perpendicular to my field of vision. If I'm looking downwards, it should also be perpendicular to my field of vision. So always nice and straight. So there are some common measurements in the face. For instance, if I'm measuring now, I can see that the bottom of the nose, the nostrils to the chin, is roughly equal to the nostrils to the base of the brow, which again is equal to the whole of the forehead. So you have 3 equal thirds that make up the face in most cases. And of course, this is not always true for every model, but it's a really good starting point because you can also then see how people differ from that ideal. Thank you for watching this video on how to measure. Feel free to have another look at all our other videos, both short and long drawing tutorials. Thanks again for watching.